Good afternoon. It's Sunday, and I'm planning a special dinner of red snapper. These are fresh wild-caught snapper from Mexico. I was the first customer at the fish counter this morning at 99 Ranch Market. It's a Chinese supermarket in Hackensack, New Jersey, where I live. So these were labeled true snapper. They're from Mexico. And I'm planning a vacation in Miami, and I was browsing for seafood restaurants, and a chef had a recipe. She posted a video of a recipe using a whole red snapper of about more than 2 pounds. I couldn't find one that big, so I bought two. These are about 1.75 pounds. And basically lemon juice, olive oil on the outside. And then the cavities are stuffed with fresh herbs. I have some fresh herbs from the garden and also garlic cloves. And that's pretty much it. Then you preheat the oven. She preheated her oven to 500 degrees. I'll do mine to 450. And then she baked it for about a little under 30 minutes. We'll see how that goes. I don't have that much lemon left, so I just used 2 wedges instead of 3. These are some Asian Indian spices, a fish masala, which is a group of Asian Indian spices I rubbed on here. Then I'm going to stuff the cavity with some whole garlic cloves and the herbs. So I have some fresh oregano, some fresh thyme, and some fresh mint growing outside. In there, I think a little bit in the head, so the garlic cloves are in there. So the last thing to do is fresh lemon juice. I'm reserving a little piece of lemon for afterward when it comes out of the oven. Extra virgin olive oil. Does this need salt? I don't think so. So now it's ready to go into the 450 degree preheated oven for about 30 minutes. I'm going to be serving some bok choy with the snapper. Look at how dirty this is. One of the unfortunate things about the Chinese supermarket, 99 Ranch Market, and also the H Mart, the bigger chain of Korean supermarkets, is the small availability of organic produce. I didn't see any organic produce at 99 Ranch Market, and certainly they have a huge variety of Asian greens, but nothing labeled organic. So you just have to wonder how much pesticides they use, where is this stuff grown. Pretty sad state of affairs. So you literally have to take the bok choy apart and see how the sand's in there. I'm not even sure what that is. It's going on 15 minutes with the red snapper in the oven. And here's the bok choy with some chicken bone broth, some cheap sake, sesame oil, and some organic no salt seasoning. So that's going to be about 5 minutes under the cover here on a medium-high heat. 5-6 minutes, it'll be crisp tender. So this is exactly 20 minutes in a preheated 450 degree oven. And I'm going to see if perhaps it's ready. Probably not. I'm going to give it a few more minutes. Here's one of these. Those are nice. A few more minutes. See the garlic here, the herbs, juices from the fish have come out. So the little lemon juice I had left went on top. Some olive oil. think heads or tails. So I like the tail end, but I also like the head. There's always the cheek. Don't miss that. So here it is, this beautiful oven baked, oven roasted red snapper with fresh herbs, garlic, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, and a side of bok choy. Enjoy. Oh, by the way, I'm keeping the fish covered. There's a fly in here. About 5 days I haven't been able to kill it. So 25 minutes in a preheated 450 degree oven was the cooking time. Enjoy.